Yes, this is true. We're talking about some of the most affordable and stylish homes that won't make your wallet cry. These prefab modular homes, you can have your dream home without breaking the bank. And these homes are like giant Lego sets with all the pieces pre-cut and ready to assemble. You'll have them up within a single day. So if you're ready to become a do-it-yourself home builder or just looking for some inspiration, stick around because we've got the best of the best lined up for you. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Number 5, the Stackhouse Coho 320. You see, this home is an absolute game changer. First off, let's talk about its design. The Stackhouse Coho 320 is a modern shipping container home that features an open floor plan, 1 bedroom, and 1 bathroom. And let me tell you, this 320 square feet of living space is utilized to its fullest potential. But what really sets the Stackhouse apart from other homes in its price range is its design aesthetic. It manages to seamlessly blend modern and natural elements, making it a true standout in the prefab modular home market. Now, when looking at this house, the first thing striking your mind might be the porch. It's the perfect place to kick back, relax, and enjoy the great outdoors without having to leave the comfort of your own home. I mean, who wouldn't want a little slice of paradise right outside their front door? When looking at the numbers, the cost estimate for this affordable container home is $64,000. Yes, you heard that right. A beautiful, modern, and spacious home for under $100,000. Now let's talk about what really sets the Stackhouse Coho 320 apart from other homes in its price range. This prefab modular home is made from shipping containers, which are known for their strength and durability. Not only is this home affordable, but it's also built to last. And apart from all that, you can get a ton of customization. The Stackhouse team is dedicated to helping you create a home that is uniquely yours. They offer a range of customization options, from choosing your own flooring to adding solar panels to make your home more eco-friendly. And you guys better not forget about the fact that Stackhouse only serves customers in Texas. So if you're a Texan looking for an affordable and stylish home, the Stackhouse Coho 320 is the way to go. Number 4, Avrame Solo 75. This small footprint single-frame kit house has 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom, with a combined 180 square feet of living space. But don't let its size fool you. It's packed with all of the essentials you need for a cozy and comfortable living experience. Now let's talk about the cost. The materials kit, which includes the structural shell and select interior and exterior finishes, costs around $40,000. And here's the best part. Avrame can ship their materials across the United States, so you guys don't have to worry about any location restrictions. Number 3, Pratt Homes, Jackson. First of all, it is not 1, but 2 bedrooms. That's right, you can comfortably fit a family or have a spare room for guests. And if you need more sleeping space, there's also a loft area. So no more worrying about where your guests will sleep or sacrificing your privacy for the sake of saving money. The Jackson also comes with 1.5 bathrooms, a rare luxury in tiny homes. No more fighting over the shower or waiting in line to use the bathroom. And let's not forget about the 399 square feet of living space. That may not seem like a lot, but trust me, Pratt Homes has designed this tiny home in a way that maximizes every inch of space. It's perfect for those who want to downsize or have a minimalist lifestyle. And the best part? The turnkey cost for homes start at around $59,000. You can have a fully functional and stylish home without breaking the bank. Plus, Pratt Homes currently operates in the southern US and serves buyers in Texas, LA, Nebraska, and Arkansas. So if you're around those areas, you're in luck. And finally, it's RIVA certified, which means it's been inspected and meets quality standards for safety, durability, and energy efficiency. You can trust that this tiny home is built to last and won't cost you an arm and a leg in utility bills. How's that? Number 2, the Kithaus K5. Now, this is a studio layout tiny home with 1 bathroom and a total of 278 square feet of living space. Now you guys might be thinking that's barely enough space to stretch your legs, but hear me out guys. This tiny home is spacious enough to comfortably accommodate 1 or 2 people. It has a modern design and features large sliding glass doors that bring in plenty of natural light and provide stunning views of the outdoors. Now let's talk about the best part. The Kithaus K5 comes with a bathroom and a kitchenette. That's right, you don't have to sacrifice your basic necessities just because you're living in a tiny home. The bathroom comes with a shower, a toilet, and a sink, while the kitchenette includes a sink, a mini fridge, and a cooktop. Plus, the design is sleek and modern, so your tiny home will look like it's straight out of an architectural magazine. But what really sets the Kithaus K5 apart from the other house kits of the same price is its versatility. You can use it as an ADU. Yes, an accessory dwelling unit, which is perfect for those who want to have a separate fancy living space for guests or family members. It can also be used as a home studio, which is great for artists, writers, or anyone who needs a dedicated workspace. And if you're looking for a minimalist lifestyle, this tiny home is perfect for you too. And the best part? This kit is available for sale across the United States, and the cost estimate is only around $93,000. That's a total steal, guys. Well, considering that you're getting a fully functional tiny home with a bathroom and a kitchenette, it's quite a great thing. Plus, the design is customizable, so you can choose the finishes and features that suit your styles and needs. Finally, we have number 1, Boxable Casita. Yes, in the end, we have this little beauty as the best prefab modular homes for sale under $100,000. Like some of the other housing kits on today's list, the Casita has a studio layout, which means it's perfect for those of us who like an open floor plan. It also has 1 bathroom and a full kitchen, so you won't have to worry about sacrificing any of your favorite home amenities. And with 375 square feet of living space, you'll have plenty of room to make yourself at home. But what really sets the Casita apart from other homes in its price range is the way it's built. This thing is like an origami masterpiece. The panels are designed to be compact so your home can be transported on a standard truck. Once it arrives at your site, it's simply a matter of unfolding it and getting it move-in ready. And get this, it can be done in just 1 day. That's right, you could be living in your new Casita by this time tomorrow. Now, let's talk paper. You're probably wondering how much this little gem is going to set you back. Well, the turnkey estimate for Boxable's affordable housing unit starts at $54,000. That's a steal for a home that's built to last and is move-in ready in just 1 day. But wait, there's more. The Casita is also eco-friendly. It's built with sustainable materials and is designed to be energy efficient. That means you can enjoy all the benefits of home ownership while also doing your part for the environment. The Boxable Casita is the best prefab modular home for sale under $100,000 in the market. It's unique, it's affordable, it's eco-friendly, and it's move-in ready in just 1 day. I mean, what more could you ask for in a home? Alright guys, now these are the best prefab modular homes out there that you can get for under $100,000. With all the benefits of these prefab modular homes, it's no wonder they're becoming such a popular option for homebuyers. From energy efficiency to the speed of setting them up, these homes have it all. So if you're looking for a home that's not only affordable but also stylish and functional, be sure to check out some of the prefab modular homes we've featured in this video. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this one.